guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I'm starting to paint and it is starting to storm. I've been running into that quite a bit lately. So I'm going to be doing a Deconstructed bloom. There was a gal who loved my last painting. She wants to buy it and she wants one on a 10 by 20. So I might be doing 3 blooms tonight. So this is the PPG paint. I did add some GAG 800 to it because there was a point where it was cracking, but that was like 2 weeks ago. So hopefully it's good now. So I'm going to flood my canvas. I got some notes from Karen on my last pour. She said, why did you spin it? You need that paint to blow out. I'm like, oh, okay. So the gal, I'm still gonna need more, I would think. Maybe I should just put the bloom down. Put the bloom down, damn it. And then blow it out and then put more paint around if I need it. That sounds like a plan. So I'm gonna go in the same order. This is Caramel Drizzle. This is, oh, what is this? This is Sky Blue by, I think, Amsterdam or Liquitex, I'm not sure. One of those two. It's an opaque. That I know. Oops, of course. And then this is Blue Eyes by TLP. This is so luscious, guys. I love it. Okay. Looks like I'm putting too much paint down already. This is Unbleached Titanium by Liquitex. That gives a really cool effect too. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it a little bit different because that is, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the pinwheel now because you're supposed to go paint, pigment, paint, pigment, and then the pink, and then the gold. Ooh, gold tends to take over, so you really gotta watch it. So I am going to do the same thing. 2 different, this is Atelier in Blue Black. And the other one I have is Copper by Atelier. See, this paint is, whoa, Wilbur, is spreading out already anyways, so. Okay, here we go. There's the Blue Black. There's the Copper. Here's the blow dryer. Hi, fan. Cool. Holy crap. Now, I don't even want to do anything to that. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. That is truly, I love it. Everything about it. Everything. Oh my goodness. Seems like the paint is tipping this way. All right, so let's get, I don't know that I'll be able to do 2 because it's 3. It's 2, well, maybe I should try. I don't know. I don't think I want to. I think I want to do 2. I just do. It's my painting and I can do what I want to. That turned out really pretty. Well, I guess I have enough paint on there, eh? Oh my. This is kind of, well, you know what? I'm just gonna see how it goes. I love this up here. I might want to keep that. So I might try and tilt it down and then just, ooh, I'm getting excited now. All right, let me put some more paint around here. And then I'll tilt it off because I do want to keep that. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm starting to get to like these. For now. All right, let's tilt it this way first. All the way to the paint is in the center. Again. I don't think all of that has come up quite yet. I'm gonna give it a minute. It's still stuck right here. Sure is pretty. May as well make myself useful, eh? So, I have a collaboration coming up on Tuesday with Willie B Studios. Her name's Tiffany. She's really good at the cloud pours and has come up with a lot of different mixes for the different types of ones. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving that too. Oh, what to keep, what to, oh my God. This is what's the hard part, what to keep and what to get rid of. And you know, I'm kind of glad I didn't put a third one in there because I like what's happening here. Oh, the giveaway prize for Wednesday is a 6-pack of Colouarte Bling-Its. I don't know exactly which one this is, but it has Rain, Chalcedony, Indigo, Glass, Angel Wings, and Luna. So that is our prize for this week. Just, I want you to see, now I can't talk when I'm tilting. Isn't that crazy? What is up with that? I don't understand. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back and forth because a lot of the paint is in the center. Yeah, just comment on this video. Like it, comment it. Here comes the rain. I can't stand, oh my goodness. Some of these colors are just unbelievable. This is still stuck. You know, sometimes I cheat and I just tap it from underneath to get it to come up. Sometimes it works. Yeah, it's stuck. Nope, it doesn't want to move. I'm not going to make it. I know I'm supposed to be the boss of the paint, but in this case, I'm going to let it do its thing. I'm going to get this stuff in the center off. And I love, love, love what's happening here. Yeah, here comes the rain. This is going to look quite different from the last one I did like this, on these colors anyways. They're all different, you know. They're never the same. Back and forth, back and forth. Maybe if I do this, it might loosen up a bit there. Nope, it just doesn't want to move. Wow. You're not going outside. Not ever. Not ever, ever, ever again. No, it's raining anyways. He's fixed. I mean, he doesn't have to go outside. Actually, he was going outside, which kind of bums me out that, you know, he has to go inside now. Well, I have a kitty litter set up in my studio here. Oh, and they're getting all crunched up. How come? Well, I guess they're supposed to some extent. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, now I can bring back that part because I really like it too. Guys, I'm really liking this one. It's a matter of how much paint do you take off? I know there's that little stick thing that Karen does. I've got to figure that out yet. I'm still learning. But I'm liking it. And I like these handles too. They are kind of handy. Ha ha ha. So let's move that center. I don't care if it gets squished now. There's a lot of paint on here. Last time I didn't have enough. What are you doing? What are you doing, Vinny? He's pissed. He's just pissed off. He can't go out anywhere. I have a nice big backyard, and he was playing very nice in the backyard until I found him in the front yard, and that's how I lost my dear Sapphire. She ended up in the front yard and got run over by a car because people speed to make the light. So anyhow, it's neither here nor there. Now he has found a way to jump the fence, and I decided, nope, you're not going out anymore. Nice big backyard is gone. All those beautiful mice that you were bringing in for me, gone. Guys, this is a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun when it turns out. What are you doing? Well, that top part didn't work out the way I thought it would. It looks like a couple of bugs. Oh, surprise! A bug in my studio? No, that couldn't be. Now I'm painting them. Oh my. All right, let's just tilt it down a little bit. See if we can make sense out of that top part. And keep the bottom part here going too. That's the hard part about this. You gotta work on both at the same time. One of these days, I think I'm going to do one at a time. I'm going to do a one at a time deconstructed bloom. See if that works. Try something different. I'm kind of liking this now. I want to move this over, but I want that to go that way. How do I do that? Is that how? Oh, thank you. I knew I could count on you. All right, I don't want it to get all that much more wonky, but I'm really liking the colors. And this is going right off the side. Although it's not bad that way either. Yeah, let's bring it back. All those pigments are just gorgeous. Me like it. Kind of liking what's happening to both of them now. Wow. I like it. I'm looking at it like this. All right. I think that's it, guys. Yep. I'm going to take you down for a close-up. Oh my, it looks like mother of pearl down here. So it's got more color than the last one I did. It was a little bit more neutral. This has a lot more pinwheel in it, or you can see the pinwheel. This is a little bit more muted. This has a little bit more color. I'm okay with both. This has more gold too. Yada, yada, yada. I like this vein. That's so cool. All right, I'm just gonna touch up my edges and I will be back for a close-up. Oh. Hey guys. So here it is. I did tilt it a little bit further this way to give it a little bit more balance and to open up some of these cells too. But Look at that bling. I like the softness of it. I love that lacing right there. And then it's like ghost lacing right here. I think that's the blue eyes kind of peeking through. There's a little glitter in there. So, yeah. And that's my caramel drizzle. That's the real thing. That's not a Michelle mix. But it kind of looks like, well, I love that ore. I mean, look at it, for goodness sakes. And then I like having just this thing in the center. It's like a divider. Wow, there's the blue eyes. The blue eyes and the I can't think right now. I'm in awe of all the sparkle. The blue eyes and the pinwheel really make this piece beautiful. I mean, there's the pinwheel right there. That looks like a POW shell. Beautiful lacing up there. Oh, it keeps going. Oh yeah. See, look at that. That's those two pigments mixed together. The blue eyes and the pinwheel. Pretty cool. So many things I like about this. I love that. Ooh, I didn't even think there was gold in there. There's gold in there. Oh, sorry, too close. And that right there. Yeah, I'm really liking this. Thank you, Karen. So please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to enter the contest for the Colourarte 6-pack. And just make a comment on this video and you're in. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now.